The process begins with large sheets of raw leather arriving at the factory. The leather is carefully unrolled on wide wooden tables.
Skilled hands gently press the surface, checking thickness, softness, and grain quality. Only premium leather is selected for shoe production.
The grain is consistent here, but there is a slight scuff on the lower right quadrant. Needs conditioning before cutting.
Scratches, holes, or uneven areas are marked. Defective sections are separated to ensure only high-quality material moves forward.
Make sure the edges are perfectly aligned before we press down.
We meticulously arrange these patterns to minimize waste. This precision is essential for maintaining the consistent shape.
And then the machine engages with a click. It presses down slowly until you hear that deep thump, which means the cut is complete.
Make sure the grain is aligned correctly before the press comes down. We need those heel sections perfect.
Once the leather is cut, we carefully stack the pieces like this. It's important they are perfectly aligned for the next step.
Each stack is sorted by size and shoe part, preparing them for the stitching section.
It needs to come over just a little more on this side.
All right, that should be perfect for the cut.
The lining is cut by an African-American female factory worker and matched with leather uppers to ensure comfort inside the shoe.
That looks correct. Keep the tension steady as you feed it through.
We begin by adjusting the tension on the spool. Once the needle is positioned, the machine rapidly stitches the...
Welcome to the future of leather craftsmanship, where every stitch is automated and every shoe is perfection.
Panels are stitched together slowly and precisely. Thick thread moves rhythmically through the leather, forming strong, evenly spaced seams.
Edges are folded and stitched for durability.
This step strengthens high-stress areas like the toe and heel.
The process of lasting is crucial. We use the pliers to pull the leather taut over the mold, ensuring a perfect fit before securing it.
This is the lasting process. You have to stretch the leather perfectly over the wooden form and secure the edges. It requires...
The shaped upper is secured tightly around the last. We ensure a precise fit before moving to the next stage.
This step ensures proper fit and structure.
Leather or rubber soles are prepared separately.
Sole surfaces are cleaned to ensure strong bonding.
Here we apply the adhesive, ensuring a perfect seal. It takes years of practice to get the consistency just right.
Nice and steady now. Make sure the coat is perfectly uniform for a strong bond.
The upper and sole are pressed together carefully by hand.
Okay, watch closely. This machine applies exactly the right pressure to fuse the sole.
I see how the leather molds.
Strong pressure permanently bonds the sole to the shoe.
See the shine here? We need to wait until the adhesive turns completely matte before we move it to the press.
Got it. Wait for the matte finish.
Pay close attention to the welt. This is where the glue tends to build up. A steady hand is crucial here.
As you can see, the leather begins to absorb the wax, transforming the surface from a dull matte finish to this beautiful, rich shine.
First, you take the wax cotton lace and feed it through the bottom eyelets from the outside. Make sure the tension is even before you cross them over.
Our quality control process is rigorous. We check every detail, from the stitching and sole alignment to the final polish.
Make sure those are size 10 and the colors match perfectly.
Yes, moving these black ones to the conveyor now.
First, we assemble the box and carefully line it with soft, protective tissue paper. The leather is exquisite.
Packed boxes are stacked neatly for shipment. The shoes are now ready to be delivered to stores around the world.